for 3 years. We're searching for boots. I'm craving for a
Bes, parang okay na yan. Bes, parang kinuha mo 2 kilo na okay na yan, Bes.
Just finished getting ready. Also, look at her. Just doing hello. Hello, 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 hello,
Hello.
hello, hello, hello.
Hello too.
Welcome to the vlog. We are vlogging. Sa tingin mo para tayong ano kapag ganito tayo na nasa ha? Today is the first day of
My God, it's an awesome God you reign in heaven on earth away. Oh no, my God, it's an awesome God. Our God, it's an awesome God you reign. Na 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 na. The power of our God is an awesome God. God is great, giving all the praise. In the name above all names. Na 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 na. And when the phone is on display, take a look at the stars. Na 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 na. It's fall. Na 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 na. I don't have to pray. Oh God.
Anyways, hi vlog. Today is the first day of the camp and I decided that I'm going to vlog this entire camp. And yeah, today's the first day. It's already 4:03 p.m. and we just got here. We have an entire house for ourselves. Okay, we have our own bathroom, our own kitchen, our own pool. And my roommate is this girl right here. Never mind her. And yeah, let me show you our balcony. Do you want to give them a tour? Give them a tour. Come on.
I don't want.
Get this camera. Get this camera. Hmm. Why are you here then? Dun ka garod. This is our cabin. We have the cabin number 2, I think. And then there's the other cabin. And then there's the other cabin. And then there's one more. We have 4 cabins. We literally have like 4, I believe, 4 cabins. Or, yeah, like we have an entire village. Hmm? Meron. Yeah. So, yeah. And I would like to show you our room, but it's pretty messy. So, I'm not gonna. But, all in all, I'm really excited.
Really, yung tao lang.
Let's film. I just checked the audio for this video and I don't know if it sounds like it doesn't sound good to me. But I'm still going to use this mic and I want to thank Crystal for giving me this mic because I do feel like a vlogger right now. Matag si Ate Shal? Okay. Yeah, and we're just chilling here. We're going to wait for our signal na bumaba na and pumunta sa campsite. But other than that, we're just resting. And I hope I can vlog sa campsite kasi I get really shy. But yeah. Psych guys, I wasn't able to film the next to intimate. Now where's the line for our They filled our food. Bakit ganyan lang? Anong gagawin namin dyan? I'm really... It's okay, I don't want to deep tonight naman. We're going to go sa cabin namin. So they are preparing for our dinner. Let me... Oh, hello. We're back sa cabin after night 1. I wasn't able to film because, as I've said, the night's too intimate for me to film. Oh, so we have this. Diyan yung roommate ko, guys. Let's see if this will work. Oh, yeah, better. Ta-da! Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of the camp and they just called us to have our breakfast. Also, update with the pool. This pool is open overnight. Ganyan lang yung ad. Yan. We just finished for our first AA area assembly and we're about to go back. We're about to go back to our cabins and then we'll come back around 2 p.m. for our practice because we're going to dance today. Guys, pwede na kayong mag-basketball dito sa iling ko.
Apat.
So cute. Oh! Oh my gosh.
Okay na, uwi na tayo.
Okay na to, uwi na, uwi na. Holy cow, guys. That my phone isn't given it the justice that it deserves. Why am I so ignorante? Guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Maiwan na sila. Pagkakita ko, guys. Like, oh. Hindi pala to totoo, guys. Akala ko totoo.
Ayan! Perfect!
Parang monkey.
Okay na? Ang dami na ata.
Kuya, parang monkey ka daw, sabi niya.
Denise!
Dapat coin pa eh.
Ay, hindi ko na makita. Ito pala.
Morning. Today is the third day. And it's not even 5 a.m. yet. And we are going to attend the Dawn Watch campsite. And yeah, I think apat lang kami nagising. Supposedly dapat lahat kami. Pero hindi pa sila nagising. I'm waiting for Trisha and the others. Anyways, this is what our place looks like, by the way. At yun dyan sa medyo susi ng gate. Good morning, guys. It's the third day of the family camp, and we just got back from Dawn Watch, and I just finished showering, as you can tell. And I know I look pretty rough, pero yeah, I remember I'm vlogging pala. I'm committing to this, so I'm like giving you guys a brief, I don't know, explanation of what's been happening. But yeah, it's the third day, and kagagaling na lang sa Dawn Watch. May AA kami this 9 a.m. and then we have GA, General Assembly, mamayang gabi. And sasayaw kami again for one song lang. So yeah. Also, I can't believe that it's the last, not our last day, it's the third day. Tomorrow's the last day, and then uuwi na rin kami bukas. But yeah, I know that I look rough right now, but yeah, I don't feel like doing my makeup, so I think I'm just gonna go bare for this morning, and I don't know if uuwi kami for lunch, hopefully, para makapagpahinga, kasi I feel like this buong camp, hindi talaga kami makapagpahinga kasi we're going from places to places, and no, laging nagra-rush, laging may mga hinahabol, so as in, hindi pa talaga ako yung ngayon, nakahiga lang or nakasit down to do my journal or to just rest, like it's been so busy. But yeah, I think nagtatawag na din sila for breakfast, so we're gonna have our breakfast, and yeah, I will try my best to vlog for today. So Let's have our breakfast. Also, guys, last day na namin bukas. Hindi pa rin to puno. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. Hi guys. Waiting na. Wow! What do we have? Here is the prayer garden, and I just wanna come up in here for a bit, just so I can put on some prayers for the last night. Also, look at how pretty the garden is. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, I'm hoping to have an alone time before we go kasi uwian na namin bukas. But yeah, this is so nice. Hey guys, dahil last night na namin ngayon, i-interviewin natin yung mga ate ko. Dahil wala akong magawa. At nakauwi kami ng mas maaga kaysa sa ina-expect namin. So, this is, hello po. Mag-i-interview po ako ngayon. Ano yung ginagawa niyo?
Nagluluto ng molats. Like talong. And that's all.
Pinakbet. We're gonna have that?
No?
Tomorrow? Slay. Wala tayong magawa. I'm so bored. Wait lang guys. I'm not good at this, bro. Also, hello? Kita dito. Kasi bored ako. Ay, wala kayong pool? Wala kayong pool? Ah, that's for breakfast tomorrow. They're cooking. Galing talaga. Ate Abby, say hi. Siyang. Ayan. Wow. Wala pala kayong pool. Nasa lang pool, guys. Talo yung cabin nila. Wait. Tingnan ko nakagat ako. Alice. This is so nice. Like, we have our own house. All of us have our own houses. Teka lang. Ang kati. May kumagat pa sa akin. May kumagat sa akin, guys. Anyways, dahil wala akong kasamang mag-house tour. Mag-house tour ako para sa inyo, okay? So, ito. This is our own cabin. And then, when you go here, yan, we have our pool na hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin puno. Pero okay na. I think I'm gonna dip tonight para naman masulit yung bayad. Though I do feel like kailangan ko muna siyang linisin bago ako mag-dip. And then, over here, we have our own bathroom. Ayun. Hindi ko pa pakita kasi medyo madumi, guys. And then, we also have our own kitchen. Though hindi siya na-utilize kasi, meron kaming 4 na kitchen dito. So, 2 kitchen lang yung ginagamit namin as you have seen earlier. And then, here is our room. Ta-da! Here is, ayan, natutulog si Trisha dyan. O, diba? You saw her. She's asleep. And then there's the moon. And then there's the other cabins. Ayan. Ganun lang. Yun lang naman yung meron. Kanina ko pa ginagamit tong mic na to. Hindi pala gumagana. Kanina ko na nga lang gamitin. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. But yeah. Ano ba? We're just preparing for our dinner and breakfast for tomorrow. Tonight's our last night of the camp. And, anong sasabihin ko? I don't know, kasi surprisingly, umuwi kami ng mas maaga ngayon. We're expecting na late kami umuwi, pero maaga. And then, I'm in a good mood. Hi, ate. Kakay. Yes. And, ayun, I was thinking if I should dip sa pool na or mamaya pa. Kasi, obviously, hindi ko na siya magagawa bukas and sayang din naman if hindi ko gagawin. And, yeah. Like, kanina pumunta ko ng prayer garden and I just like spent my time there talaga. Hoping na like, though I was really satisfied naman. Ano pa ba? And then, yeah, like the entire experience of camp is so tiring kasi especially us, like we have schedules to follow kasi we have practices and then we have to go here, we have to go there. Especially if naka-stay out ka rin, like nakakapagod siya, but still it's fulfilling kasi it's camp, you know. And I'm really grateful na nakasama ako this year after 3 years. Like, I haven't been here, sabi ko nga, in such a long time. And I think my favorite part of this entire camp is yung kanina. Yun nga sabi ko, pumunta ako ng prayer garden. I just knelt down in front of the cross and I talked to God for about an hour. Hindi ako nakinig sa GA. Sorry po. Pero sabi ko, I really need my alone time. I need to do this before I leave. And I'm really satisfied about it. So, yeah.
Ala, lamig yan. Natisal, come. Hindi ako mag-ano kung bibit lang. Ala, ay parang ganda ang Tisal. Dito kayo sa kanila eh. Ito ba muna lang po. Sige, panindigan mo yan. Ito si ano ko, yan o. Nakita ka doon. Suffer na tayo. Ngayon ako nagbalik.
I think 14. Hello guys, so we just finished dancing. It's the last day. J4 is ongoing, pero pumunta muna kami dito sa prayer garden for the last time to, stroll around and yeah. This is what the prayer garden looks like in daytime, and so yeah, here's the altar and then there's the cave right there. Then we have like a gazebo and then the prayer wall. So it's pretty much like a Garden of Eden in real life. One of the prettiest garden I've ever been to. And also my favorite place on planet Earth so far. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this. I think gagawin ko ng goal na makapunta ako every year even though super busy ko. Pero yeah. Nandito ako last night and then I was there. Really good. I recommend it. Yeah. And then there's also like places to stay there. May mga kubo doon. If you wanna tambay. Nabalik na ba kami? Ko alam. But yeah, it's really nice up here.